In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a group voice call on Telegram. Telegram lets you talk to multiple people at the same time using its group voice chat feature. This is built directly into a group, so it's a simple way to start a live audio conversation without needing to create a separate call. Before you begin, keep in mind that you usually need to be an admin in the group to start the voice chat. The group needs to support the feature, and your Telegram app should be updated to the latest version for everything to appear correctly. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, go to the group chat where you want to start the call. This is important because group voice calls are started from inside the specific group where everyone is already a member. If you don't see the option later on, one possible reason is that you may not have admin access in that group. Next, tap the group name at the top of the screen. This opens the group details and gives you access to more group options. From there, look for the option that says Voice Chat or Start Voice Chat. Depending on your version of Telegram, the wording may be slightly different, but it will refer to the group's audio chat feature. Tap that option, then tap Start or Start Now to confirm. As soon as you do that, the group voice call will begin. Members of the group can then join the conversation and speak together in real time. This makes it useful for team discussions, group planning, study sessions, or casual conversations with multiple people at once. If you run into any issues, there are a few common fixes to try. If you don't see the voice chat option at all, update Telegram to the latest version first. Also check whether the group is set up as a supergroup, since that can affect available features. If your microphone isn't working, go into your phone's settings and make sure Telegram has permission to use the microphone. After that, restarting the Telegram app can also help refresh the connection. And if you can't start the call even though the feature is available, the most likely reason is that you're not an admin in the group. In that case, you'll need to ask an existing admin to give you permission or start the voice chat for you. That's how to make a group voice call on Telegram.